Hey, welcome back to Good Groceries with Matt Hussey. I'm Matt Hussey. I appreciate you stopping by. One thing that I love the most of anything, I love breakfast. And not only just breakfast, but one of my most favorite things is an omelet. I love an omelet for breakfast. Growing up, my mom would fix an omelet for me almost every day. Just a standard ham and cheese omelet. And I don't know how long she did that for, but she did it. Bless her. So I've kind of given you a little bit of indication of what we're going to do. I'm going to do a hash brown omelet on the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be some That's some good groceries. First things first, we need to get our hash browns ready. The hash browns that I'm going to use for this is the dehydrated kind. These are the best, in my opinion, hash browns to make on the Blackstone. So I take these dehydrated potatoes, I put them in a container, and I fill it up with some hot water, okay? Let that set for like 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we strain them, and just try to get all the moisture out. And it will absorb some more of this moisture too. You don't have to get it totally dry, but try to get it as dry as possible. And then I put it back in this container, and I use them like the day of or even the next day. So this right here is pretty much what you're left with. Just yummy, yummy hash browns. I want to take, this right here is just some ham, just some regular old ham you get from the ham section. This isn't like a deli ham, but it's like a Smithfield or whatever, like you were to buy. And I'm just going to cube that up, okay? I got some American cheese. I like American cheese with mine, plus I like a little bit of cheddar cheese, all right? I'm gonna do some mushrooms, and I got an onion. So I got our ham right here, and I like this ham. It's got a smokiness to it, cubes up really well, and yeah, it's just good. So we'll come in there, and that's gonna go perfect. Those sides right there is gonna get nice and like brown and just awesome. While we're doing this prep, let's go ahead and get our Blackstone. Let's go get it warmed up. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low. We want to have it ready. So when we get all done, we can just roll, y'all. I was wanting to do some peppers. I love peppers, onions, and mushroom. Yeah, I forgot the peppers. Go me. So that's why we're having onions and mushrooms only. Onions, you want to come in here. You want a nice fine dice, and let's see if I can come in here. There we go. Nice sharp knife. Don't cut no piggies, all right? Just come in there just like that, all right? Easy peasy. The mushrooms, we actually cheated a little bit. They're already sliced. Voila! Life hack. So this is just 5 eggs. I want to plan to make 2 omelets here, okay? I got 5 eggs, and I've added a little bit of heavy whipping cream, all right? If you're not, don't want to put anything with your eggs, so be it. It's okay, no big deal. Just don't do it. I'm just gonna add a little salt to this. All right, a little bit of pepper. Eggs, done. Y'all, this is gonna be some good groceries. It's gonna go fast, it's gonna go awesome, it's gonna be yummy. All right, first things first, we gotta get the hash browns ready. That is the hardest part of this entire cook. I'm gonna lay down some good butter. One key thing to hash browns is they need butter, they need oil, they need a little patience, okay? So let's put these things down. And a little tip is you kind of want to use your spatula as a guide, because when you go to flip these, you don't want it to be bigger than your spatula. So, but you want them to be kind of wide, all right? That's going to be a small one, okay? It's going to be small. Be all right. Be okay. Now, I'll add a little bit more oil to these, just on the top, just like that, okay? We want to get our onions. We want to get those sauteed, all right, guys? I'll put those over there. And we also want to do our mushrooms. Now, we also have our ham. We'll put our ham like right here. We also want to make sure it gets warmed up, get a little browny, little nice brown bits. Hash browns, put a little salt on these. They need salt, okay? A little pepper too. All right, our vegetables needs a little bit of this little butter love, okay? That's my love language, butter. You see this? got a little nice brown bits to it. That's what you want. That's the ticket right there. I'll tell you what, we're about ready to spread some eggs. Again, you want to kind of come in here and just press everything nice and flat. You want it nice and flat, okay? I can see, you can see this, it's brown, okay? It's good to go. You may want to cut your griddle off at this point, just so that it don't get any more brown. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful of your settings, all right? So we're just gonna come in here, and this egg is just gonna fill in all of those gaps. Just like that. Might run a little bit, but that's okay. Just fill in all those gaps right there, y'all. Same thing right here. Ooh-wee boy. Y'all, it's gonna be some good groceries. So we're gonna take our cheese. My dog will not get out of my way. She is. We'll take our cheddar. We'll come in here. Move, dog. Take our cheddar. I want this thing cheesy like me, all right? We're gonna come here. We're gonna take half of our mushrooms and onions. Wish there was peppers. Go me. Okay. That's okay. We're gonna take our ham. All right, just like that. We'll come in here. I like ham. Yes, I do. There we go. So as you can see, you kind of see how we're going to fold this thing. I'm going to come in here with my edges. Just going to put that right there. We'll put this right. Just put that in there. We want nice, crisp edges. Again, you can see why we want to do your length of your spatula, okay? Let's go. Boing. Here we go. There's one. Mercy sakes alive. Boy, look at this. Look at that right there. Woo-hoo, boy. Boy, that's pretty. Those dehydrated hash browns also just work perfectly. We're gonna let that cook on that side. Well, there's gonna be some good groceries coming soon. All right, guys, hey, we're gonna get these off the griddle. Whew, boy, they look good. They look real, real good. I'll put that on our plate right there. Son, that's some good groceries right there. Y'all, look at this thing. This thing is legit, all right? We gotta give it a try, right, y'all? Let's give it a try. Where are we gonna try from? I wanna make sure I get some yummy, yummy cheese. Yeah, boy, look at that. Ooh-wee, boy. It's cooled down a little bit. A little chilly out here today. Look at that. Woo. Let's give it a try. Mmm. 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 Man, this is good. I'm not even missing my peppers. Man, those onions and those mushrooms, they look so good. Mmm. Now that is some good groceries. Y'all, this hash brown omelet, you got to give it a try. Hey, head on over to blackstoneproducts.com where you see a lot more recipes just like this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and leave me an old comment. I'd love to interact with you. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. This is some good groceries.